The widening gap between the rich and the poor is alarming, but the path to wealth is easier than many believe. By understanding the distinction between real money and fake money, anyone can change their financial fate. This video explores key insights on wealth building, investment strategies, and the importance of financial literacy. The growing wealth gap. The wealth gap is a pressing issue in society. Many individuals find themselves struggling financially while a small percentage of the population continues to amass significant wealth. Understanding this phenomenon is crucial. Poor financial education plays a major role in this growing divide. I've been actively researching investment platforms and found interactive brokers to be a user-friendly option, particularly for those new to investing. Click the first link in the description to learn more. Every day the government prints money, diluting its value. This leads to inflation, which disproportionately affects those with fixed incomes or limited financial literacy. The rich, on the other hand, often benefit from these practices. They understand how to leverage their assets, while the poor remain trapped in a cycle of poverty. The gap between the rich and the poor is not merely a product of luck or circumstance. It is a result of choices and knowledge. Many people lack the understanding of real money versus fake money, which is essential for building wealth. A personal story, the 1964 Kennedy half dollar. A personal story illustrates this point well. At the age of 17, a young Robert Kiyosaki received a 1964 Kennedy half dollar. This coin, made of silver, was a tangible asset. It represented real money at a time when the US government began to shift to cheaper copper coins. This shift sparked curiosity. The young man noticed the difference in value. In 1964, the coin was worth its face value, but it contained real silver. By 1965, the coin became copper, losing intrinsic value. This moment was pivotal. It highlighted the importance of recognizing real assets amidst a sea of devaluation. Through simple observation, he learned a vital lesson about money. Real money holds value, while fake money deteriorates. This realization set him on a path to financial education and wealth accumulation. Understanding Greshams Law. Greshams Law states that when bad money enters a system, good money goes into hiding. This principle is evident in today's economy. As governments print more money, the value of that currency decreases. Those who understand this law begin to seek out tangible assets such as silver and gold. Many people continue to work for fake money, unaware of its diminishing value. They accept their paychecks without question, failing to see the bigger picture. This lack of awareness perpetuates their financial struggles. Recognizing Gresham's Law is essential. It encourages individuals to seek out and invest in real assets. By doing so, they can protect themselves from the effects of inflation and currency devaluation. The importance of real money. Real money is defined by its intrinsic value. Silver and gold have been considered valuable for centuries. Unlike paper currency, these metals cannot be printed at will. They are finite resources, making them more stable in times of economic uncertainty. Investing in real money is a strategy used by the wealthy. They understand that tangible assets will retain their value over time. This contrasts sharply with the approach of many working-class individuals who often save in cash. Cash can lose value rapidly due to inflation. Those who hold on to cash are essentially losing wealth. Instead, focusing on real money provides a safeguard against economic downturns. The loss of real assets. As the government prints more money, the value of real assets diminishes. This creates a false sense of wealth for those who believe their cash holds value. However, in reality, they are accumulating liabilities. Many people mistakenly invest in depreciating assets, thinking they are building wealth. Cars, for instance, lose value the moment they are driven off the lot. Investing in real estate or precious metals, however, can yield returns over time. Understanding the difference between real and fake assets is crucial. Real assets appreciate, while fake assets do not. This distinction can significantly impact an individual's financial future. Silver and gold are more than just precious metals. They are stores of value. Historically, they have been used as currency and continue to be sought after in the investment world. Their scarcity and demand ensure that they retain value even during economic turmoil. Investing in silver and gold provides a hedge against inflation. As the dollar loses purchasing power, these metals often increase in value. This relationship between currency and precious metals is why many wealthy individuals prioritize these investments. Moreover, the tangible nature of these assets offers security. Unlike digital currencies or paper money, silver and gold can be physically held. This aspect provides peace of mind, knowing that these assets have intrinsic value. The impact of money printing. The practice of money printing has profound implications for the economy. When governments print excessive amounts of money, it leads to inflation. This inflation erodes the purchasing power of currency, effectively making money less valuable. As Robert Kiyosaki points out, the direct consequence of this action is that the rich often benefit while the poor suffer. Those who understand the dynamics of money can leverage their assets to protect their wealth. In contrast, those without this knowledge find themselves trapped in a cycle of poverty. Moreover, the increase in money supply does not create real wealth. Instead, it generates a false sense of security. People may feel richer because they have more dollars, but in reality, those dollars buy less than before. This illusion can be dangerous, leading individuals to make poor financial decisions. Fake money, or currency without intrinsic value, plays a significant role in perpetuating poverty. Many individuals work hard for fake money, believing it to be a sign of success. However, this money is often just a tool for the wealthy to maintain control. As Kiyosaki emphasizes, poor individuals often do not distinguish between real and fake money. They might receive pay raises, yet these increases may not reflect true economic progress. Instead, they are merely working harder for money that continues to lose value. This lack of understanding leads to poor financial choices. People invest in liabilities, thinking they are building assets. For instance, purchasing a new car may feel like progress, but it is a depreciating asset that drains financial resources. Investing in real assets. Investing in real assets is a crucial strategy for wealth accumulation. Real assets, such as real estate, precious metals, and businesses, tend to appreciate over time. They provide a safeguard against inflation and currency devaluation. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of focusing on tangible investments. While many people accumulate cash or fake assets, the wealthy invest in things that hold intrinsic value. Silver and gold, for example, have maintained their worth throughout history. Individuals should seek out opportunities to invest in real assets. This approach not only protects wealth but also creates avenues for financial growth. By prioritizing real investments, one can build a more secure financial future. For those interested in learning more about investing, I've had a positive experience with Interactive Brokers. The link to their platform is in the first link of the video description. Finding your path to wealth. Finding a personal path to wealth requires education and awareness. Kiyosaki advocates for financial literacy as a foundation for success. Understanding the principles of money, investment, and asset management is vital. To begin this journey, individuals should assess their current financial situation. Identify income sources, expenses, and potential areas for investment. This self-awareness is the first step toward making informed financial decisions. Next, explore different investment options. Whether it's real estate, precious metals, or other assets, each path has its benefits and risks. The key is to invest in what resonates with personal interests and knowledge. Additionally, surround oneself with like-minded individuals. Networking with those who share similar financial goals can provide support and inspiration. Learning from others' experiences can accelerate one's journey to wealth. The key to financial literacy. Financial literacy is the cornerstone of wealth building. Many people lack the knowledge needed to navigate their financial lives effectively. Schools often do not teach essential money management skills, leaving individuals unprepared. Kiyosaki emphasizes that understanding money is crucial. This includes knowing how to budget, save, and invest wisely. One must learn the difference between assets and liabilities, as this distinction impacts overall financial health. Moreover, continuous education is important. The financial landscape is ever-changing, and staying informed can lead to better decision-making. Books, seminars, and online resources are valuable tools for enhancing financial knowledge. Ultimately, financial literacy empowers individuals. With the right knowledge, anyone can break free from the cycle of poverty and work towards financial independence. Investing in oneself is the most rewarding investment of all. I've been exploring investment options, and Interactive Brokers has been a valuable resource for me. You can find the link to their platform in the first link of the video description if you're interested